Today we are going to discuss about the switch case. Switch case is also same like if else condition, but in switch case you can only use comparison between the value. Like you cannot check the age less than 18 or age greater than 18. You can only check the age is equal to 18 or equal to 19. So this is simply say, like you have to compare the value in it. So first let's see its structure. First you write switch, and in the parentheses you write the condition that you want to compare. Here you will write the condition that you want to compare, and then uh, you write normally the case, and there you write the value that you want to compare with this. There you write the condition that you want to compare, and then there you will write the value that you want to compare with this condition, and then you write anything you want, and at the last you will write the break keyword. First, when you run your program, and it will check first case 1. If the condition is true, then this line will execute and this whole body will be breakdown. All these cases will not be run. At the first case, the loop, the body will break and the control will be out of this body, out of this bracket. And if the first condition is not true, then it will check the second condition. And if the condition is true, then the next line will be breakdown and these will be neglected. And if both the condition are false, like we use else in the if else condition, if both the condition are false, all the condition are false, then it will check the default. This line will execute if all these conditions are not met, all these conditions are false, and then breakdown. Let's compare with if else. So like in if else we write if choice is equal to 1, what will be happen? If the choice is not 1 is equal to 2, if this line is false, then the control was given to this line. If this line is true, this body was execute, and all the other line are neglected. And at the last the else body will if both all the condition are false, then else body execute. So same like in this switch case, like choice the condition that I want to compare, I write only once in these parentheses, and then the value that are changing 1 2 that I want to compare, I write in cases and there. And all the code that I want to play in my if the condition is met, I will write there, and then break keyword. This will break this body that no line after this will execute. And if the first condition is false, the control was given to second line. In if else condition, there is also the first condition is false, the control is given to second line. And if all the condition are false, though the control is given to else, and there if all the condition are false, this will given to default. Let's see in the programming. Make the switch case, and in the parentheses I will pass the condition that I want to compare. Like I want to compare choice, so I will write choice in the parentheses. Then I will write cases like if choice is equal to 1, like this I write the case and then the value that I want to compare with this condition. So I will write the value and then I will write the column and then the thing that I want to run. I want the thing I will write, and then I will write break keyword, and then I will write case, and then the second case that I want to compare the value, like I want to compare the two value, like I am like simply I am writing choice is equal to 2. Choice I have given in the parentheses and then I the value I am given in the cases. So I am writing case 2 that if the choice is 2, what will print out? Choice 2. And at the end I will write default. Default mean else, like if all the conditions are false, then the value then default will call, like I will write default. So you can see the choice is 1, and when I run it, choice 1 is printing. The first the control is given to this line, choice 1, this is true, so this line will execute, and after this will break and the control will given out to the body. And like if I write choice is equal to, so what will be, you can see choice 2 mean first see this, if this condition is false, then the control will given to the this line, and when this is true, so this line will execute, and so you can see this line is executing, and then break and the control is given outside the body, all the remaining line will never execute. And like if I give the 3 mean, uh, 1 and 2 both are false, so what will be print out? Default will be print out, because one case 1 is false, case 2 is false, and now the default will run and this line will execute, because if all the conditions are false, then default will be called out. So this was about the switch case. So more we will meet in the next video.